Tingana, we haven't seen Tingana, we haven't seen a big male leopard for quite some time now, and I'm really looking forward to sharing this experience with all of you. If it's your first safari, you're in for a treat, because it's not often we get to see these big males. They've got large ranging territories. And we've now just got ahead of this pathway. We're now going to just head past us. I'm sure he's going to continue straight along the left of our vehicle. What he may do is actually scent mark at this marula tree. Sadly, it's a little bit obstructed. Oh, I think he did. Oh, I think he did just scent mark there. Not uncommon for them to use the marula trees as posts to leave signs and signals on. And just like Shadow, he also appears to be carrying a little bit of a limp. Maybe it was an injury they sustained whilst mating. It can be quite a physical affair. This is magnificent. Golden afternoon sunlight. He's going to scent mark again. I must say a big thank you to the guides on Sibambili and Arathusa. They did find him and let us know that he had just crossed into Juma, and we were lucky enough to relocate him thanks to VM's great eyes, who spotted him lying at the base of a termite mound. Well, he's moving into quite a thick area, and what I want to do is try and get the vehicle onto the other side of it as soon as possible so that we can stay with him. Once he's got through there, then we should be able to stay with him for quite some time. And